President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has vowed to improve and increase domestic research to support local manufacturing of medicines and vaccines in the country. This will, among other things, enhance equity and quality of health services for all Nigerians. The special advisor to the President on Health, Dr. Salma Anas, stated this at a virtual meeting organized by the National Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development, with support from the European Union and the Bulgarian government, with the theme Expediting Local Vaccines Manufacturing in Nigeria, Challenges, Opportunities and Prospects. According to the special advisor, the federal government plans to work with stakeholders to encourage and fund local research for new drugs, vaccines, and disease epidemiology, determining best approaches to disease management within the Nigerian local context.
On behalf of the organizers, you are all welcome. And I'm also speaking on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria. We have made several attempts in the past to ensure that we domesticate local vaccine production in Nigeria, not just vaccine, but also medicines and other consumables, medical consumables in the country. As said by the previous speakers, the COVID pandemic experience has given us opportunities also to deep dive and understand the weaknesses that we have in the health systems, and also to renew our efforts and commitment on the great need to domesticate and ensure that we have local manufacturing of vaccines in Nigeria. The new government, under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is committed to strengthen and ensure local manufacture of vaccines, medicines, consumables, and all medical products, to reverse it from 60 in Nigeria as what we have today. 60% of our local productions and consumables are imported. So the effort and the commitment is to see that we reverse that.
She said the president would ensure that a national plan and roadmap for vaccine research, development and local production in Nigeria would be given the needed political will for successful implementation.
So this is coming very timely as it aligns fully with the vision of the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and is one of the critical pillars for the development of the health sector, of the renewed hope for Nigerians.
Director General of the National Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development, Dr. Adigwe, said that there were huge opportunities for local vaccines manufacturing in the country, noting that the development of a sustainable ecosystem in terms of research, business and policy making would support the success of vibrant local manufacturing companies in Nigeria and across Africa.
As you all know, local manufacturing of vaccines has long remained a critical aspect. We look forward to ensuring that the continued vigor that we've started with is sustained throughout the end of the program. And we will you have our word that we will keep pushing until we get about 3 to 5 vibrant entities who not only manufacture vaccines for Nigeria, but for the entire African continent, and also building a sustainable environment and ecosystem that will support in terms of research, in terms of business, in terms of policy making that will support the success of these entities, building a framework that will ensure that the entire continent and the people of the continent benefit from us having our own capacity is one of the things that we'll also focus on doing.
The European Union Ambassador Samuela Isopi, represented by Professor Leila Amour, said the European Union is committed to the initiative of creating an enabling environment for local pharmaceuticals manufacturing in Nigeria.
So thank you again for inviting us to this first workshop that we are working on together. I just switch off my video, but the Ambassador Isopi is really, I just wanted to add that the Ambassador Isopi is really keen on this project. This is going to be something we will put a lot of focus on in the next year, and we are so very happy that this workshop is taking place and that the project is launched at last. And she wanted also to thank warmly the Ambassador Jordanov for his commitment.